Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really quick and cute card for you. This is not so much of a technique video as it is a cute video, just a cute card. So hopefully you will like this quick and easy card. I started off by die cutting a lot of flowers from the Pretty Posies from Sizzix, and I used the glitter gold cardstock from Simon Says Stamp on the screen that you saw, but in the end I actually ended up not using it. As you can see, I die cutted a lot of different cardstocks. I used a lot of colors. I used the C6 cardstock. I used a little bit of a smoother cardstock that I found. I used some packaging. I used some gold cardstock and some glitter gold cardstock. So you can see I just went to town and die cutted a lot, and I won't end up using all of these bits and pieces on this card, but I will be having a lot left so I can create more cards. And if I do, you will see them over at my Instagram account. You will find a link down below for that one. So anyway, I just tried out all of these combinations of how I wanted to create this card, but I realized that I wanted something to like hang up the flowers on top of. So I used another die set from Sizzix called Wreath, and this was the perfect place for me to like place the flowers down to this card base. And in the beginning I just used the packaging on that Pretty Posies die set, but I realized that I didn't like how it turned out, so I just wanted something different. So this wreath turned out perfectly, and as you can see I'm placing it a little bit more heavy at the top left corner, so I have it a little bit more of a grouping there, and then it spreads out to the sides in this wreath, and I really liked how these turned out. And you can see all the fibbling here. Soon I will take a break, I think, so you don't have to see me fibbling around with all of the placements, but it could be good just to see that I'm trying out how I want this to look in the end. When I'm happy with the placement, I took some present seal. This I actually ordered from Simon Says Stamp the last time I ordered from them, and I have been super impressed of how it works. I haven't found something similar in Sweden, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this from the US, so I was happy to be able to get my hands on it. And it works like a dream, actually. You can see I could pick up all of my die cutted pieces in one big piece, and now I can put adhesive and dimensions on the back side of this and then put it right back again. If you don't have a present seal, I actually have, maybe you can use some like masking paper, because that's a low tack paper, but you wouldn't be able to see exactly how you place it down. So if you wasn't happy with one leaf and you wanted to move it like I did here, you wouldn't be able to do that, or not that easily anyway. But that's a tip, you could use that. But look how easy it was to just pick it up and then place it down again at the same place where I wanted it to be. Because that is always the trick, right? To get it all back down after you have found the perfect placement on everything, and then you have to pick it up to put adhesive on the back side. I always mess it up at that step. So this was actually a really happy thing for me that I have this present seal, and I believe you can use this piece a lot of times before it's done. So I just placed down a couple of more leaves. I thought it would look a little bit empty at some places, so I just did that. And then for the sentiment, if I would do this card again, I would probably do this step before I put down all the flowers again, but I forgot, of course. So I wanted this to be an encouragement card for my friend that's gonna have a baby this fall, and so I wanted it to be really personal and special for her. So I decided to go with a stamp set on Swedish, and this stamp set is from Inky Winks, and I will link it down below. I really like how this card turned out, and you can see I fill up some of the empty space inside of that wreath with some sequins from Pitch Pars. So if you like this card, please give it a thumb up, and I hope you have a great day. Until next time, bye!